Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing another clean with me video. I'm just going to be honest, this is how my room looks sometimes, and it can be like a total mess and really hard to keep up with. I have 4 cats and 0 kids, so I don't have a whole lot of excuses why it gets like this, but it does sometimes, and there's a lot of other stuff in the house that has to be cleaned too. So this is what it looks like, and a typical kind of cleanup day for me. Okay, so I'm going to kind of lay it out. The right side of the bed that's closer to that little refrigerator, that's my side of the bed. The other side of the bed is my husband's side, and he doesn't really like for me to clean his area up because things just start disappearing. So I don't touch his area, and his is his own thing. But yeah, this is just what I do, just a basic cleanup, and let's go ahead and get started. So at this point, I've already done one kind of bedroom cleanup, and I think that was a couple weeks ago or something like that. So I've been talking about how my carpet just looks so soiled and just old and dingy. I don't really know what to do at this point. We have steam cleaned it, vacuumed it, and of course we can get like the majority of the dust up and stuff like that, but otherwise the stains just pretty much remain. Unless you do something incredible like spot treat it or whatever you would do to normally get a stain up, I can't always get it clean. That's probably like one of the most discouraging things for when I have to watch and edit these videos. I'm like, well, other things look good, but the carpet looks pretty terrible. So I'm hoping to like have that fixed in the future. But if you know any ways to try to fix something like that, or you came up with some really inexpensive solutions, let me know, and I'd love to hear them. Alright guys, for the remainder of the video, I'm just going to let it play and you guys can listen to the music. I'm sure you're sick of me talking anyways. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.